Want to share a YouTube video to your Instagram story, but want it to actually look good? I'll show you the cleanest way to do it in 40 seconds. Go to the YouTube video, tap share, and hit copy link. Don't leave yet, take a screenshot of the video on your screen. This is going to be a background image so your followers know exactly what they're watching. Switch to Instagram. Open your stories camera. Swipe up to load the screenshot from your gallery. Now for the magic. Tap the sticker icon and select link sticker and paste your URL. Hit done. I like to make the link sticker big and place it right in the center. Now, when you post this, it looks like a professional card rather than just a boring web link. Ever wonder how to turn on incognito mode on the YouTube app? Check this video out now.